Today's date, April 15th, 2023. We are getting seriously close. I know. So we got gutters put on the house. Guy came out yesterday and did my gutters. Because I'll tell you what, we had a washout here. Wow, the amount of water that came off of that was just absolutely insane. So he did me seamless gutters. I got two downspouts on this side, and that goes all the way to the back of the house. And then coming back over this way. So I had him come around the corner here and end it right there. So what we got going on here is I'm going to have 6-inch super gutter ran all the way down here for the screen enclosure, but that would put the gutter downspout right here. That's just not good. So I said, well, let's run the super gutter all the way up to here and butt it up to this one, and then just come on down that downspout there. So that's that. Also, I came out here yesterday with 2 gallons of paint, and I painted up the side wall here and the side of the steps. And we got this all done. They were out here measuring the pool deck for the screen. I guess that's on its way. That turned out pretty nice. At least I think it does. I think it looks really nice, with the exception of that pile of trash that is sitting there. This pool's dying to be finished. Vacuumed it all out the other day because it was just disgusting, and that was what was left. Obviously we can't get in there with a shop vac. There's the grounding rod for the cage. Everything else is inside this thing has been bonded, and yeah, that weed wasn't here yesterday. Those things are just relentless. I got this side all done up. Gutter ends right there. So that's the update of the outside of the house. Towels are out. They're over here just looking at me. What you guys doing? Yeah, we're closer. Gotta get them some cow patties. But yeah, I just can't wait to get a screen enclosure out here. And dirt. Dirt. Get this fixed. Get some sod down. Oh my God. I'm going to take some of this stuff that they put down here, and I'm just going to roll it on this just to finish this off. I don't know why he didn't spray create it, but hey, it happens. So what did he use? He used this product called Color Seal H2O Pro. Ocean sand, baby. Is what it is. That's what I gotta buy. Buy a bucket of that. Seal out this top right here. Heck, I might even get creative. These guys aren't bolted down, are they? No, they're just, well, the plumbing pipes are in. Yeah, I might get creative and paint this. But I'm excited about the gutters. Yeah, buddy. And I got the back of this damn truck. It's a moving hardware store. I got electrical, plumbing, paint, drywall, lights, levels, and a beer. So we're inside doing closet, because the guy didn't do the closet work. He got fired. He no longer works for him. We didn't get him fired, he just got fired. So I'm in the process of doing the closet, and Tomorrow we're going to go out to the guy that did the concrete house, and we're going to check out his garage. He did some epoxy. I swear that pile of dirt gets bigger every day. That's just crazy. All right, I gotta get to work on the inside, guys. That's the update for today, April 15th, 2023. All right, we are out at the property. It is, well, it's after tax day, so I'll call it April 20th. We got a skid steer out here doing final grade. He's kicking butt over there. Pile of empty beer cans. Gutters are done there on the house. Gonna do a final grade over here. This is all cool. Sprinkler guys are here. They're gonna do sprinklers on this side of the house. Sorry about the shakiness, but we're walking in some ruts here. So we're gonna get sprinklers on this side, sprinklers in the back. Sod's coming in Monday. I don't know what's going on with the pool. Pile of base rock. Looks like that's gonna go in. That's looking nice. A nasty pool. Oh my God, that looks terrible. Alright, so they've wiped out the well equipment, hit it with the skid steer. Looks like they twisted everything.
They took out the video camera too.
What's that?